All right, welcome to the first installment of Mr. Ray's Radical Recreation, or Triple R Sports as we like to call it. So today I'm going to talk about a fun activity that you can do indoors, and then also a way that you can have it or modify it for outdoors as well. So the game we are going to play today is a version of mini golf, but all that you need for this game is rolled up piece of paper, just like this, a cup with some numbers on it. We're gonna have 6 holes of golf today, so I've got my cups numbered 1 all the way through 6, and then a scorecard. Any scrap piece of paper, scorecard, write the number of cups you have or number of holes of golf you're gonna play, and that's the way you're gonna keep your score. So the object of this game is, just like regular golf, get your rolled up piece of paper into the cup with as few throws as possible. So I'm going to set up my first hole just across the room over here on my shelf. So as we do this, just have a starting point. All of you start at the same spot. Just count how many times it's going to take you to get your rolled up piece of paper into the cup. So I'm going to shoot for the cup. Oh, that was close, but didn't get it, so that would be 1. Walk over to wherever paper lands, pick it up, shoot for it. Again, 2, and then from here, I can just drop it in the cup. So I would write down my score of 3. Now, I would have my cup set up around the house. So you can set it up however your house is configured. Try to make it as difficult or as easy as you can. Simply have cup number 2 here. I have cup number 3 up the stairs. If you have stairs in your house, that's a great way to add some added difficulty. I played a round of this earlier. I shot for the cup up here and my paper rolled all the way down the stairs. So that can be something you can try to avoid, or you can play it safe. You can go for the gusto and try to make it in as far as you can. I have cup number 4 up over here, 5 over here, and then I set up my last cup, 6 down there. So as I complete each hole, I simply write down my scores, and then I would add them up. If I have for example, I have, say, a 2, a 3, a 5, a 3, a 2, and a 4. I would simply add up all my scores. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, 2 more, 15, and 4 more, 19. Great way to practice your math skills at home as well. So my score would be 19. If I was playing against somebody else who had a score of, say, 20, I would be the winner because I got the lowest score. So in this game, the object of the game is to get the lowest score. So as I said, another variation of the game that you can play is simply a game of disc golf. If you have a Frisbee, play it outside, set it up similar, scorecard, set the places that you want to shoot for around your yard, if you can, around your neighborhood, around if you have a bigger space, whatever you want to do. So then you just simply do the same thing. Count up how many throws it takes you to get to that goal. Keep your score. Play the game. So that would be it. 2 great ways, 1 inside, 1 outside, that can give you some activity, give you some movement, keep you a little bit busy for a while. So thanks for joining me on the first installment of Triple R Sports. Hope to see you next time. That's all for now.